Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. By the name of Almighty God, you are most welcome to your own channel. We have an expansion of this statement where x is greater than 1. And now what is sum of the coefficient of all odd degrees? It means we have to find the expansion, then we should this statement and this statement we should add with each other, then you find the odd degrees and sum the coefficients. By the way, you have to memorize one formula. I will say, if we have a plus b raised to the power n plus a minus b raised to the power n, for this one we can use 2 times nc0 a to the power n plus nc2 a to the power n minus 2 b to the power 2 plus nc4 a raised to the power n minus 4 b raised to the power 4 plus dot dot dot. And you can expand this formula up to where? Up to the power of the a should be 1 or it should be 0. Now, I will write the question once again. We have x plus root 2x to the power 3 minus 1 raised to the power 5, and also this expression. Now, find where is n. N is 5. Now, this one is a and this one is b, or this one is a and this one is b. Now, you can use this formula. 2 n, what is n? 5 c0 a, what is a? X to the power n, n is 5, plus n 5 c2 a x n minus 2, 5 minus 2, it is 3, times b, what is b? This root x to the power 3 minus 1 raised to the power 2, we can cancel 2 with this one, so we have x to the power 3 minus 1 plus n, it is 5 c4 a raised to the power n minus 2, what is a? It is x n minus 4, what is n? 5 minus 4 1 times b, this is b raised to the power 4. Now we can cancel 4 with this one, so we will find x to the power 3 minus 1 raised to the power 2. You have to expand this expression up to where? Up to the power of the a should be 0 or 1. Okay. Now, 2 times, what's the combination? 5 with 0, it's 1. 1 x to the power 5. Plus, what's the combination of 5 by 2? I think it is 10. X to the power 3, x to the power 3 minus 1. Plus, what's the combination? 5 by 4, it's 5. X to the power 1, and you can expand this expression. X raised to the power 6 minus 2 x to the power 3 plus 1. Am I right? Yes. Now, 2, we have x to the power 5 plus, we can multiply this one with this bracket. Plus with plus, it's plus 10 x to the power 6 plus with negative, we have negative 10 x to the power 3 plus, and you can multiply this one with all this bracket. So we have plus 5x to the power 7 plus with negative, it's negative 5 with 2, it's 10 x to the power 4 and plus 5x to the power 1. Now, what has been asked? The question is, what is the sum of coefficient of all odd degree? Where are the odd degrees? Odd degrees, we have x to the power 5, x to the power 3, x to the power 7, and x to the power 1. So, what are the coefficients? The coefficient of this one is 1. The coefficient of x cubed, it's minus 10. The coefficient of x to the power 7, it's plus 5. The coefficient of x to the power 1, it is plus 5. Now, 5 plus 5, it's 10. 10, with this 10, we can cancel. Now we have in this bracket 1. 1 times 2, it is, I think, 2. Now, which answer is right? Number 4. By the way, it was our this week question. Allah Hafiz.